Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. My name is Muhammad Izzazi bin Azizi and my ID number which is DE96533, and today I would like to do my midterm project for EED 253, which is microcontroller and microprocessor subject, and the title which is keypad and LCD. Right. And the question state, write a code to read input from a keypad and two push buttons and display them on the LCD. Demonstrate the functionality of your code in Proteus. And here we have four conditions. And the first one is, if the first push button is pressed, display your name on the first row of the LCD. And the second one, if the second push button is pressed, display your student ID on the first row of the LCD. Third one, if any of the keypad button is pressed, display the number on the second row of the LCD. If nothing is pressed, the LCD should not display anything. So here, we can know that we will have two push button, which is push button 1 and push button 2. And we also have the keypad. Okay. Okay, now here we have a SC2 coding scheme. Here we can see too many coding like number, alphabet, and so on. And here from the question state here, if first push button is pressed, display your name on the first row of LCD. So here I set my name as Izzaz Handsome, and Izzaz Handsome is stand for in decimal. 73 is stand for I, 90 for Z, 90 65 for A, 90 for Z, hash for 32, 72 for E, and so on. And here the second question, not the second question but the second condition, if the second push button is pressed, display your student ID on the first row of the LCD. So we have the second push button. Second push button. And here, second push button, display my student ID, which is DE96533. So D is stand for 68, E 69, 957, 654, 553, and 351. And here, I hope everyone can understand until here. Alright, we move to the MP Lab to see my coding. Now, first of all, I want to bet on to know whether our coding is true or false. Okay, our coding is true because here it appears the boost succeed. Now here you can see this is my command for my name. I set Haziq here as call. This is port C. We connect the output at port C. Here be set 5. So this is the decimal number for this the decimal number. Alright, this is for my name, Izzaz Misem. And here is my ID number, so I name it as display ID to call. Okay, same like the top. The final one we call keypad. Keypad, we have 12 different color name, which is like declare 1, declare 2, declare 3, declare 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 all. And here we can see the decimal number. And here we set to move literature to the working register in hexadecimal CO because we want to make, as the question state here, if any keypad button is pressed, display the number on the second row. So we set as 0 times by CO. So it is appear in the second row. Alright. This subroutine for command. And second one, subroutine for keypad. We have output keypad A, B, C, D. Okay, we configure two lines, configure all, and we also clear the display. And this is our polling here, polling. This polling for name, polling for ID, and is more the others is polling for keypad until declared 12. Alright, I think here everyone will understand. Okay, the last one we move to the Proteus, which is here. This we use the active high input because the button is connected to the 5 volt, which is our power, and the resistor is connected to the ground, and the RS is connected to the port C. RS, RW, and E enable is connected to the port C. And here the output of the keypad we connected to the port B, which is here ABCD, and the input one I'm connect to the port A, which is the fourth pin, and the others, which is 2 and 3, I'm connect to the port B, which is the pin number 6 and 7. Okay, we want now here I set the frequency to the 100, and here I just choose the S79.H that I was do before this. Alright, okay, start. Okay, when I push the first button, you can see, oh sorry, not 40. Alright, okay, when I start here, you can see alright, first of all, we export this to the this. Okay, say that we open the Proteus and run. Okay, first button display my name, which is I set SAS and sub, and the second button press. Also, the second button display my student ID, which is D is 9653. Okay, we unpress, and the last one I press on keyboard. The number 1 is display at the second row, 5, and all number will display in the second row if we press on the keyboard on the keypad. Okay, I think it succeed. If everyone will not understand, you can replay my the coding and what part you have not understand, we replay, and I hope everyone will enjoy my video and understand. Think that's all for me. Thank you for lending your time. Assalamualaikum.